Welcome to Dalal-E live stream after a long time. Today we are going to discuss about the current market scenarios, Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, and other stocks as well. So here we can see the chart of Nifty 50. Let's look at the daily time frame right now. Here we can see it's a clear downtrend. Nifty is trading like this. This is a typical downtrend. The high was never broken. This was a high. This was the high. This was the high. Price never closed above the previous highs. So we expect market to correct furthermore unless it breaks this point. 24,226. Now we go back to the hourly time frame. We clear all this. It's still in downtrend. This low was broken and somehow it's trying to give a pullback right now. This is what exactly is going on. But am I audible? Now let's look at what is going on the 5 minutes time frame just for intraday purpose. I'm not asking you to make any trade. I'm gonna delete all this strings. Right now, we can see Nifty 50 is trying to give us some pullback. It has formed a double bottom pattern here, and it has already crossed this level. Today it opened below this level, but price somehow managed to sustain about this level. Whatever price is trying to do, it will always trying to give you pullbacks in both the ways. Like It will follow this trend line right now. It will act like this. So when will be the opportunity? The opportunity either for intraday traders. I'm not asking, I'm just telling my personal view. I'm not telling to make a trade, but I'm just telling what should be done for this if somebody wants to trade in this kind of scenarios. If price break this trend line, then we should wait for breaking of this point. We can short below this level. Our target will be this area, or otherwise we will see this kind of zigzag movement like a boring expiry day. And this is also a resistance area. So we won't get any big target for upside movement because in the large time frame, that is daily time frame, we are still in the downtrend. What I have shown already that it's already in the downtrend. So unless and until price breaks this high or this high, we will not going to witness any long-term upside movement. So we have to make sure that we don't get into the trap. Let's check what's going on in Bank Nifty. This is a chart of Bank Nifty. Let's go to larger time frame at first. Delete all the drawings. Bank Nifty has already broken their long-term support right here. And this level was already retested. So in a larger time frame, it's in a downtrend because if you check here in the weekly time frame, first of all, this trend line gets broken and the nearest support zone was broken. So we will witness a down trend and maybe the price will go down right now. And there was I already shown my in my last tweet that price has already broken this head and shoulder pattern. Sorry. So maybe we will going to witness a fall like this high to this high. So this near around this zone. This is the scenario of the larger time frames. Now let's move on to the shorter time frame, like 1 hour. In the hourly chart, we can see that it's still in a downtrend. high, pull back, low, pull back, low, pull back, then somehow tried to sustain above this level but failed. So this is the crucial level for Bank Nifty right now. If price somehow sustain above this mentioned zone, then we will witness an upside rally. Otherwise, we will still be inside the range, like this range, inside this range, or we may witness fall if price breaks this level, this zone. And don't get too much excited if we witness 100 point or 300 point or 500 point rally just for one day, because it will be a trap and it is created just to make fool you. Now let's move to the shorter time frame or the intraday time frame. This is a trend line and price has broken this area. It's now very hard to tell if price will move further or not, because this is where we have another rejection level. Price may take another rejection from here. Oops, sorry, I have moved to Fin Nifty, sorry. Same scenario almost. Well, Bank Nifty is trying to give upside movements right now. Price will now try to move upside towards this point. Now, one can be long or try to make long positions with future or options, but I'm not suggesting to take any entry because it's volatile and In the bearish market, you have to always be defensive with your long positions. So if you don't manage them straight away, you will get your capital destroyed. But as of now, we can expect price movement. Price may move up to this level. This is the option chain, Bank Nifty. Just trying to check the IV and the gamma. Still not a good area for option buyers. So do not make any long positions for the option call options. Don't buy call options right now. Let's see what is going on in Nifty 50. Nifty 50 is showing the same kind of scenario. इस एरिया के आसपास इस ये जो जोन है इस यहाँ पे आएगा रिजेक्शन तो यहीं से आना चाहिए let's move into Fin Nifty. Same kind of scenarios everywhere. Now, VIX is getting down. It's coming down. That means it's not good time for option buyers, but price will go up. Mean maybe not immediately, but eventually, because VIX represent volatility, and volatility is a friend of option buyers. But it doesn't mean you have always it will go up, then option premium will go high. But it doesn't mean that if it comes down, then option premium will not increase or it will decrease. It will depend on implied volatility. I already expecting this movement from the market. Now, let's move to some stock specific actions. Let's see what's happening in the stocks. Wipro is the top gainer of the Nifty 50 today, and we can witness and we can see actually here is a breakout. Let's go to the monthly time frame at first. Fall came from this level, so this 360 level will act as strong resistance right now, and it's a breakout. And weekly time frame as well. Let's make it a okay. We are heading to 360 in the Wipro. It's a good breakout, but market is not in the mood of making any fresh long positions. Overall market, I mean Nifty basically. So we have to check Nifty IT chart before making any trades in Wipro. I already shared a chart that we are going to witness near around this level. When the price broke here, I posted in my tweets or I posted in the groups. But it's personally my view that Nifty IT will show 55,832. But remember, it will not come in a day or in a week. It will take months or maybe years. So as per this, if we go back to this weekly time frame, this is also very good. And Wipro is just behaving like a leader. So this is a very good time to maybe a short swing for Wipro. You can take your stop loss here, 296 for the target of 360. So if you enter here, your stop loss is this, target is this. So now check the risk to reward ratio. It's 1.43, not very bad. You have the risk of rupees 26 and reward will be rupees 37. But I'm not asking you to make this trade, I'm just sharing my personal view. Now let's check what's going on today at Mahindra and Mahindra, one of the top gainers of Nifty 50 today. But it's not looking good at all for me as well because it's trading inside a zone. So I will think about entry above 300, sorry, 3,220, or I will try to catch it near 2,660. Otherwise, it will take rejection from here and it will take support from here. So either we will enter above this resistance or we will catch it on the bottom, making this is a stop loss because then our risk to reward ratio will be good. This is the UPL kind of same scenario here. Let's have a look at Tech Mahindra. Its rally is very good, but now it is stuck inside this zone. Check Nifty once again. You get to learn something. And let's check the Bank Nifty. It's going up but steadily, not like Nifty 50. I already mentioned the price may go up to here, and then we may take some rejection. We may witness a rejection, and if price took any rejection from here and price moves like this, and then if any this kind of level gets broken, this will be the short opportunity. If any kind of price action happens here, then we can short here because market is in the downtrend, and that short will give you more profits than the long opportunity. Price broke this level, but 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 this is exactly what is going on. Let's. This was the trade, and this was the trade. Same thing, Bank Nifty and Nifty 50. Now let's move back to the stocks. Let's go to Reliance. Look what is happening with Reliance. Just try to understand what is happening with Reliance. Here we can see price was trying to take support from this level, but what happened? This level gets broken and the downtrend or short was started, short position, and so price went down to this level. Then a short pullback, price created a fresh low again, and then price took the rejection from the previous swing high, which is this. Now what we will do nothing right now. If price sustains above this level here, 1328, if price sustains above this level, daily closing is required, and after the daily closing, price must stay above this level for minimum 1 day or 2 days. So then we will get the confirmation that price has already sustained. we have to play level by level, because if this low gets broken, then we can expect fall, because price is ultimately in the downtrend. Any kind of pullback we trade, or any kind of upside we are trying to trade, we will be defensive. We will be always defensive. We will keep our position sizes low. We will trade in very low quantity, and always we will exit at stop. If any kind of stop loss gets triggered, then we will exit from the trade, any kind of trade. And what is happening on Nifty? Low gets broken, price may take support from this trend line. Uh, I delete this one, but because this drawing is done. Any kind of breakdown of this level, if price somehow breaks below 23,090, then we will witness a great fall, another bearish day. So don't be in a hurry, just wait and watch. Watch with watch with patience. Now let's move to another stock which is persistent. This is one of my favorite stock of all time. Price corrected up to this level, showing some pullback, but we cannot trust this pullback right now. It's looking like a morning star pattern. It may not be a traditional one, but it's surely a morning star pattern, because morning star usually happens in the downtrend, but the trend is not. I can take it as a downtrend. The low gets broken, the correction was going on, but I don't take it as a downtrend, because if you see this kind of movement, so I can't say this is a downtrend. It's a very good uptrend, and which is still intact. Why I'm saying this kind of uptrend is intact? Because look at this. Sorry. Now let's move back to weekly time frame. Price never closed below this trend line in the weekly chart. So I will take it as uptrend. Maybe in the daily chart we get one closing, but this closing This is emphasis. It's look like it's stuck inside this range over 6 months from July 24, I guess. Yes, July 29th. Yes, from July it's stuck inside this range. So maybe one can buy here for the target of this because this is the resistance area. Maybe we may witness a fall from here again. Then our risk to reward ratio will be good because our stop loss will be this 2751. Then our risk to reward ratio will be like this if anyone buy today. But I'm not asking you to buy because I'm just showing the risk and reward ratio. This is good. If you if your top if your stop loss gets triggered, then you will take almost 6% loss. But if you get your reward, then you will gain 11%. Now it's up to you. I'm not asking you to buy or I'm not recommending anything. Just showing you my views. Now let's check Nifty once again. This line is invalid right now. Price tried to maintain this level several times in this area. So I take this area instead of this upper side area. This price first broke this level like this blue line, and then if price closes below 23,197, maybe a fresh fall will be started. Okay, one stock I would like to discuss right now, it's Coforge. This stock was a mega rally, and then stock gets corrected, and today a huge gap has been created right here. This gap may get filled in the next trading days if I use any my uh, each zone on 9,289. This is our resistance zone, wave resistance zone. So it will act as resistance, and we may witness fall from here, or price may take rejection from here. But if price successfully sustained above this level, then price will head towards this level, 10,026. And if price successfully sustains above this level, 10,026, we will witness further upside rally. So Coforge is a stock which must be on your watch list right now. Sorry. Let's check what is happening in the defense sector. Defense sector is not looking good at all. This is the chart of Hindustan Aeronautics, and I'm expecting this level to come, 2956. 2956. This may come sooner or later, but I'm waiting for this level. Plan I will plan my trades only above this level. When price takes support from here and then bounce back, then maybe I will plan it. Now Move to BDL. Let's check what is happening. BDL actually took support from here and going upside. So BDL is looking good in long time chart, but yes, it's looking good. BDL is looking good. And right now, if you can see, just try to understand this. Price broke this trend line here, so the downtrend was over, but the uptrend was not started. Here, the price break. So here, price broke the previous swing high, which is here. Then make a low, then a short pullback, and again a low, which means a fresh low is created here. And if you see right here, this low and this low, this is a low at higher prices. So higher low has been formed. Whenever this kind of higher low is formed and the highs are getting broken every time, here the high gets broken, here the high got broken here, and prices going up, then we will witness another higher low, maybe here or somewhere else, but above this level. So then we will, it's a confirmation actually that uptrend has started as per Dow theory. So it's up to you. If you want to buy BDL, it's looking good to me, but not for short term, obviously for long term. But other defense stocks are not like BDL right now. Look at this stock. Created a double bottom pattern here. Price breakout of this level upside. So the low remains same. Here the low remained same and the high got broken. After that, a fresh low was created, and this low is at higher price than this. So a higher low was created here, and if price break this high once again and then makes another low, then it will be a confirmation that it's in the uptrend. But moves are, as market is not trending, I mean Nifty 50 or other indexes. So we will witness messy movements like this. You'll see a breakout, then a fall, then breakout, then a fall. Because every time if a trader makes any entry at breakout, his stop loss will be triggered. So it's a noisy move. Either try to buy near this low when this low was created and then price took the bounce at this level, then you may enter at here because this price created a near low here. I mean, this point is near to previous low. So that's why you can consider buying it here. And if price gets broken here again, if this resistance gets broken, do not enter at breakout until and unless Nifty is trending for the upside movements. Otherwise, this kind of movements will happen. You will enter and you will exit at your stop loss. Now let's get back to Nifty 50. Let's see what is happening there. Price is trying to maintain this level. Clearly, price is trying to maintain this zone. So do not short, and when price inside this zone, you may consider short position. If price breaks this level, then you may consider going short. Otherwise, it will make you fool. Price broke this trend line and then it's going sideways. Actually, no trade setup here. Okay, so as of now, we have discussed this. Now it's time to say you goodbye. I'll be back soon in live sessions. I'll inform you. Thank you.